Welcome back to Galileo tutorials. My name is A23DECLOSLHR. Before I move on, I want to appreciate you for your likes, comments and shares. Thank you for those who subscribed. Thank you. I do not take anything for granted. God bless you. Peradventure you've not been following, and peradventure this is your first time of watching this video, please do well to go back and watch episode 1, episode 2, so that you can get episode 3 very well. Let's move on. Episode 3 is about flight availability in Galileo GDS. Follow me. What is availability? First thing is, it's a list of flights between two cities on a specific date. Availability helps find options for your passengers. So let me give you an example. Format of an availability command. Example: Alpha 23 DEC LOXLHR. This looks like coding, right? I know, don't be confused. I'll break it down for you. Now, the A in aviation, we call it alpha, refers to availability. The 23 is the date of travel. The DEC means December. The LOS means Lagos, as I've taught you before, if you go back to our previous lessons. And LHR stands for London Heathrow. Just to break it down, A is availability, the date, the day, and the first letter of the month, so they follow each other. Yeah. City pair, so city 1, city 2, they stand beside each other, as you can see above. City 1, city 2, LOS LHR. This is the date, 23rd of December. But let me give you a practical example on Galileo. So let's dive into Galileo. We are right on Galileo. As you can see, I have input the availability codes on the screen. So Alpha 23 December Lagos LHR. Now if I press enter to display availability for me, let's try it. So you can see the jargons on the screen. You can see these jargons on the screen. Don't worry, calm down. I will explain this in my next video actually. But today I just want to show you how to check availability. Let me give you more examples. Let's assume you are going for Christmas celebration in Kenya. When we input alpha, then we do what? Let's assume we are going on the 20th. Then go 20th of what? December. DEC because LOS and the city we are going to. So that is number 1. LOS to MBO, that is Nairobi. There is Kenya Airways. Kenya Airways available. Kenya Airways 533. So these are the classes of seats available. These are the classes of seats available. Okay. Let's ignore this. Let's ignore that. So let's check for from Abuja to Rwanda. The first letter you put there is what? A. Then you put date you are going. That is, let's assume on the 10th of December. You're going to Rwanda. Then you input what? ABV. Then KGL. Then click enter. So from Abuja to Rwanda, we have Ethiopia available. We have ASCII Airlines available. ASCII Airlines. So we also have Kenya Airlines available, and like that. So when it comes to seats, we have economy, we have business class, we have premium and stuff like that. In my next video, I'll be explaining this. I hope you enjoyed this video too. Please like this video, comment, share it with the others, and subscribe. I'll really be grateful. Thank you for joining me again today. I will see you in the next video.